Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Squarespace domain to GoDaddy. First, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your domain settings. You'll need to find the DNS records or advanced settings area. This is where you'll locate the specific information required to point your domain elsewhere. Make sure to copy these details accurately, as they are crucial for the connection process. We'll use these in the next step. Now, head over to your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, find the domain you wish to connect and look for the DNS management or zone file editor. This is where you will input the information you copied from Squarespace. Carefully paste the Squarespace DNS records into the corresponding fields in GoDaddy. Double-check for any typos to ensure a smooth transition. After pasting the records, remember to save all your changes within GoDaddy. Domain changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, usually a few minutes to several hours, but sometimes up to 48 hours. Be patient during this period. Once some time has passed, open a new browser window and type in your domain name to verify that it now correctly points to your Squarespace site. If your domain isn't connecting after a reasonable wait, try clearing your browser's cache or using a different browser. Sometimes, local caching can prevent you from seeing the updated site. If problems persist, don't hesitate to contact either Squarespace or GoDaddy support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot specific issues. Also, for other great deals and the link to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener, check the description below. It's a small touch that makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.